Hello friends, today we are learn about the important topic performance of the transmission line under the subject transmission and distribution of electrical power in 4th sem diploma electrical engineering. The subject code 3340902. In chapter number 2, the performance of transmission line. There are the three main type of overhead transmission line: the short transmission line, medium transmission line, and the long transmission line. When the line length is up to 60 km and the operating voltage is less than 20 kilowatt, it is called the short transmission line. The effect of capacitance are neglected in the short transmission line because the line length and the operating voltage are very low. So the charging current are very less in the short transmission line. So the capacitance effect are neglected in the short transmission line. In a medium transmission line, the line length is between the 60 km to 160 km and the line voltage is between 20 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt. The capacitance effect are considered in the medium transmission line. The capacitance are distributed, but make to easy calculation. It is assumed to concentrate either at the receiving end or at the middle of the line, or half of the capacitance is assumed to concentrate at the sending end and the half capacitance is assumed to concentrate at the receiving end of the line. In a long transmission line, when the line length is more than 160 km and the line voltage is high greater than 100 kilowatt, it is called a long transmission line. A transmission line always has a series resistance, series inductive reactance, and shunt capacitive reactance. The resistance is depend on the conductor material in the transmission line. The inductance is formed when the current carrying conductor in the transmission line. The inductance is formed as the conductor is surrounded by the magnetic line of force. Means when the current passes through the line, the magnetic field produced depend on the inductance of the line. The capacitance of line is formed as the conductor is carrying current, act as a capacitor with the earth, and the air between them form a dielectric medium. The performance of transmission line depend upon these three line constant. When the current passes through the line, there are some voltage drop and some power losses in the transmission line. Voltage drop are occur due to the resistance and inductive reactance, and the power loss occur due to the resistance of the transmission line. So the performance of the transmission line can be determined by its efficiency and the voltage regulation. The efficiency of the transmission line is equal to power delivered at the receiving end divided by the power sent from the sending end. Means output power divided by input power. Output power means power delivered at the receiving end and input power means power sent from sending end. The voltage regulation of the transmission line is defined as the change of receiving end voltage from no load to full load condition. The percentage regulation is equal to no load receiving end voltage minus full load receiving end voltage divided by the full load voltage into 100. The voltage drop are occur due to the resistance and inductive reactance of the transmission line. In other form, the percentage voltage regulation is defined as the difference between the sending end voltage and receiving end voltage is the voltage drop. When the full load are removed, the value of receiving end voltage is raised from VR to Vs. For lagging power factor of the load, the value of receiving end voltage become less than at the sending end voltage. If the voltage drop Vs minus Vr expressed as the percentage of the receiving end voltage, it is called the percentage voltage regulation. The percentage voltage regulation is equal to Vs minus Vr divided by Vr into 100. So, the performance of the transmission line, it is a most important topic in the subject transmission and distribution of electrical power. Thank you.